Hello and welcome back to Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. I wanted to show you guys an update on the azalea plants that I got at the tremendous discount. But I first wanted to show you, check out my bok choy. Now, the leaf miners are trying to get at it a little bit and have no business down there, but they have just been everywhere. I don't even know how to prevent them or whatever, but they have been everywhere. But my point is for this video is to show you how great these azaleas are looking, the ones that I got for $1 each. Let me flip it so I can show you. So for those who know a little bit about azaleas, you know that they are not supposed to be blooming at this time of the year. It is hot. It's hot. I mean, I am literally in spaghetti straps kind of hot. And so I just wanted to show you, we took these, we saved these from being thrown away when I was shopping one morning. And now look at this. Look at all the new growth that is happening on these plants. Look at the new growth. They were literally looking like this. They were looking like this all over the plants. And I'll insert a little clip to show you what they were looking like in the beginning. And I got all of these azaleas for $1 each. Yeah, $1 each. And now we have blooms on these plants. All they needed was a little TLC. And so we have not even fertilized, we haven't trimmed, we have not done anything at this point with the plants. All we have done was sat them back here in the shadiest part of the yard and literally just come out and water them every day. And that's pretty much it. That's all we've done. And we're getting this type of reaction from the plant. So it is totally in survival mode. It is ready to, you know, get healthy again and all that. So I just wanted to show you guys, these things normally would be blooming in the dead of winter, in the really, really cold weather. But all this new bud is happening. All that new stuff is happening. So we are super excited and definitely going to just allow them to sit here for a while and get acclimated. It's been about maybe 2 weeks, so we're just gonna let them get acclimated to the area. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that the azaleas were really looking nice and healthy now, and were not on their last leg anymore. I guess they realized they were on their last leg, and so when they get that water, they were just soaking it up. So I would come out and just give them water twice a day if it did not rain. And if it did rain, I would just let, you know, the rain do its thing and go from there. But it's up under this very large tree here. And so it's in a nice, mostly shady spot. It'll get some, you know, sun in the later part of the day, around the 4-5 o'clock hour. It'll get sun back there, but for the most part, it's sitting in the shade, and that's what it needed in order to get to the recovery phase that they needed to get to. So I'm super excited about my discount plants still. And so we'll probably at some point, I don't know if we'll resell those or if we'll just utilize them on our homestead when we actually move and leave this particular location. So Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and I will see you guys on the next video.